And then we've got the Ender Stopper, which I don't know. Is it for stopping Enderman, for example? Range border. Interesting. Okay, so we've got. Is this a building space? I guess. So you can turn that on and off. Clicking and shift clicking does that. Right, so can I stop maybe Enderman from spawning, or like certain other things happening, or other players from teleporting? No, so that's not stopping players from teleporting. Can we use an Eye of Ender, for example, still? Yes, we can. Does it prevent building? This is the thing, is I actually have no idea. No? It's not just because it's bedrock either? Let's see, so the vacuum. No chests. An ender chest, I guess, probably. I don't know why that's still in there. Don't want to do that. Does it prevent elevators, for example? And other blocks that are affected here? So we'll just do that and this. No. I wonder, what does it actually say? I'm probably going to have to go to the actual changelog part, because I have absolutely no idea. And again, there's no wiki, so what have we got here under changelogs? Releasing, we've got build link, that doesn't help, and that's just the code. Black colored block, add options. Alright, so we'll just have to go to the actual mod menu sort of stuff, because I have absolutely no idea. I don't think you could use like an ender pearl or something else to change it, but yeah, so you're just changing a range border for some reason? Unless it's just to show the chunk boundary? I assume, but maybe there's like a limit to what it shows here for how far down it is, because that's, yeah, so that goes from there to there. It doesn't like go all the way up like a typical chunk boundary displaying feature would, so don't know about that one. Let's see, so mod menu, can we also access the configs file here? Oh, there's a lot. Karam. We can, but we'll go mod menu because it makes it more clear. So let's see, we'll go this way and this one. Okay. So destroying an item when using dev null is possible as a setting, instead of it just being that it ignores it from being picked up, so we can enable or disable that. That's good to know. You got the max distance between elevators, which by default is 20, which in the image it shows 30, so that's clearly just what they were trying to change for certain reasons of the image. Unless it's like the max, I guess. It's like 64 I can do. What we got? Invalid number. Nope, 64 you can do, so I don't know. They just said a certain number, I guess. You got the max solid blocks between elevators, which... Okay, so you can have up to 4 in between it as well. Elevator. Right, so I'm gonna probably want something like cobble, for example, in between. Or sandstone, that'd also work, I guess. So we'll go here, and we can do that. Or this. But we can't anymore, so it's fine. Obviously, if you did anything within the 2-block space above the elevator, of course, it'd be suffocating, so that's not a good idea. Unless you had like a trapdoor or some other things that maybe would be working fine. Not suffocating. You can ignore obstructions, so I assume that's for ignoring any of the solid blocks. You've got deactivating the elevator when powered, so I'm assuming that's when using a redstone signal. So I'll just do... I forgot that I moved it. So just get that back. Let's see. So we can enable that. So we can't go down. If we do this, we can. So we can do that with signal. Obviously, if you had redstone by other means, you can do that as well. And we'll go back to searching here, and then you've also got the range the ender stopper takes effect. Okay, does that mean it just... I don't know. Those things I don't know what the effect is, so no idea. I guess this is maybe for like ender pearls or Enderman or something like that, but again we haven't tested Enderman, so we'll probably try that. Oops, it's normal difficulty, so... I guess we could just splash water on them, for example. They're gonna try and teleport maybe? No? Are you gonna not try and teleport? So you're just gonna stay there even though you have a chance to teleport? Interesting. Okay, so we right click that and let's break these of course. So you can actually see and right click. Range border set to false, set to true. That's what I wonder. So set to true. We can just do this and try and take them out. So they're going to teleport because obviously they're not. Or are they restricted to being teleported to this region? Are they? No. Let's go and disable that. So that's not a good sign. Let's see. So if we do, for example, here. Do this. Set the border. Where are you going? You're not going too far, are you? No? Let's see. So you're just there, so that's fine. If we try water here, no, you're just gonna move. Alright. That's fine with me. I'm gonna place another Enderman. Can you stop moving, thanks? That'd be great. I'll just do this, like a wall here. Nope, you want to back in. Alright, you do that. Okay. Okay, I know they can teleport of course, but we'll just see for the sake of if it can restrict them teleporting or not, because that's my only guess of what it can actually do. Everything else is not very clear if it's like affecting interpearl throws with players or something like that, which it could be, but it doesn't seem that way. So we'll go now here. And we'll just disable this. So we'll move it back and we'll go true. And we'll go here. Oop, that's not what I wanted. So we'll place that there. So it's not affected by water. Oop, come on. There we go. So, Enderman. Water, nothing. So right click. Set to true. Set to false. Can you... He's not wanting to, for example. Okay, so we'll just do that. To push you in. And you can escape from an area like this, choosing not to, so why is that? If I push you into the water now... Yeah, so you've already teleported away. So if I put this back... So for example, just put an Enderman here. Oop, that's not what I wanted. Put an Enderman here, and then move them in, and that's not even active. Oh, it's just showing the range. Okay, so it's pretty much activated immediately. Right, so you don't have to have the range shown. I don't know why I thought that you did, when that should have been obvious. But yeah, so that's obviously how wide it reaches, and obviously it does prevent mobs from Enderman from teleporting. Thanks so much for watching, and goodbye.